for like a standard silicate ore, that is a reduction in volume and water use of 40%. There are many benefits of microwave treatment. The first one that I think most people point to is that you can use less energy overall. And depending on the source of that energy, that can translate to a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions if you have a fossil fuel energy source, for example. A big one is that you generate fewer fine tailings and overall grind less material. Especially with sorting, you're rejecting material upstream, so you're not grinding barren material to a fine degree that then has to be stored in the tailings. A coarser grind may also give you the option to dry stack the tailings, for example, and because there's less fine material, water recovery from the tailings for recycle may also be easier. For operations producing a sulfide and a low sulfide tailings, microwave treatment can result in the production of a cleaner low sulfide tailings due to enhanced mineral liberation as well. Overall, you can generally use less water per ton of metal produced. And again, that's because you are sending a higher grade feed to the concentrator because you're rejecting barren material in sorting. But also, often, for example, when you're doing a lot of fine grinding, more water is added to reduce the viscosity of the pulp. If you're not grinding that fine, then you don't need as much water to reduce that viscosity. So you can actually operate at a higher pulp density. And that can, if you, for example, increase your pulp density from, say, 20 to 30%, that is for like a standard silicate ore, that is a reduction in volume and water use of 40%. So it's non-trivial, the reduction in water. You can also have more efficient use of reagents, both in flotation and leaching, because more of the valuable surface area that you're after is exposed. And so all these things really add up to very positive environmental benefits for microwave treatment.